So that's about it, guys. Just doing a simple style for the week, for the next 2 weeks, until I wash again. I really like the shampoo and conditioner from Design Essentials. My hair feels so soft and silky and smooth. It really smells good as well, and it left my hair not dry. It felt moisturized after I finished like drying and everything with the mold. But I like how it has my hair feeling. Like, as you can see, it's not what's the word I'm looking for? It has moisture and it's not frizzy. It's more like when I do the hot curl, it's more silky. Yeah, so I definitely will recommend it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another upload from me, and don't forget to hit the bell notification as well. You guys stay blessed, be safe, and I'm gonna see you in another video.